Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get chlorine out of tap water. First, understand that chlorine is a volatile chemical. It's added to public water supplies to kill bacteria and viruses, ensuring your water is safe to drink. However, it can leave an unpleasant taste and odor. We'll explore easy ways to eliminate it, improving your water quality for drinking, cooking, and bathing. One of the easiest ways to remove chlorine is by boiling your water. Heating water to a rolling boil for about 15 to 20 minutes allows the chlorine to evaporate into the air. Another simple method is letting water sit out. If you leave a pitcher of tap water uncovered for 24 hours, the chlorine will naturally dissipate. These are great for small amounts. For more consistent chlorine removal, consider activated carbon filters. These are found in pitcher filters, faucet attachments, and whole house systems, effectively trapping chlorine as water passes through. Another quick solution is using vitamin C. A small amount of ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbate can instantly neutralize chlorine in a bath or shower, protecting your skin and hair. By removing chlorine, you'll notice a significant improvement in the taste and smell of your drinking water, making it much more enjoyable. You'll also protect your skin and hair from the drying and irritating effects of chlorine, leading to healthier-looking results. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals on water filters and other products, including those amazing Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.